Are you worried about retirement? If so, you're not alone. Many people are anxious about whether or not they'll have enough money to live comfortably in retirement. But the shocking truth is that many people are making retirement planning mistakes that are costing them dearly. That's why it's so important to have a retirement plan in place. A retirement plan will help you track your progress and make sure that you're on track to reach your goals. Here are the top retirement planning strategies. And start early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Invest wisely. Choose investments that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and time horizon. 3. Diversify your portfolio. This will help you reduce your risk and improve your returns. 4. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. This will help you maintain your desired asset allocation. 5. Create a budget. This will help you track your spending and make sure that you're not overspending. 6. Pay down debt. This will free up more money to save for retirement. 7. Get professional help. If you need help creating a retirement plan or choosing investments, consider working with a financial advisor. Here's some extra advice that you won't find anywhere else. No, don't forget about long-term care costs. Long-term care can be very expensive, so it's important to have a plan in place to pay for it. 2. Consider working part-time in retirement. This can help you supplement your income and stay active. Downsize your home. This can free up money and reduce your monthly expenses. Travel in the off-season. This can save you money on flights and accommodations. Now that you know the top retirement planning strategies and some extra advice, it's time to start planning for your retirement. But before you do, here's one last question for you. Are you making any of these common retirement planning mistakes? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.